Hello learner, welcome to all of you for the certificate course on medicinal plants, traditional uses and the career opportunities organized by Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Friends, today we have a new plant that is a Chlorophytum tuberosum. Myself, Dr. Dilip Hande, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. So friends, the Chlorophytum tuberosum, commonly known as Safed Musli, belongs to the family Asparagaceae. This species possesses potential medicinal uses in traditional herbal medicine, mainly in India, for treating various ailments like diabetes, diarrhea, cholera, leukorrhea, kidney stone, sexual disorder and the general debilities. Chlorophytum tuberosum is one of the prominent species used in Ayurveda, a traditional system of medicine mostly found in area with high rainfall along the grass covered slopes. It is an erect plant growing up to height of 1.5 to 2 feet with sheathing leaf base and tuberous root. These tubers are medicinally important. It is commonly known as the Safed Musli. Chlorophytum tuberosum is a herb that grow up to height 20 to 50 centimeter with underground small rhizome surrounded by fibers. The swollen root having dark tubers of length up to 7 centimeter are present on rhizome at their tips. The leaves are linear, lanceolate, borne in rosette. Inflorescence is a simple raceme having 2 flowers usually at each node. The flowers are usually large, white, showy and good scented with no differentiation between the sepals and the petals. Chlorophytum tuberosum is the only species within the genus Chlorophytum which has 10 to 14 vein tepals. Stamens are shorter than the tepals and style is about 10 mm in length. Flowering occurs in the month of August and early September. Fruits are oblong, ovoid in shape containing seeds of 2 mm diameter. Dried bulb and leaves are crushed to be used as a flour for making bread. The plant is rich in sugar, proteins, starch, ascorbic acid, saponin, phenolics and amino acids. Phytochemical investigation of this plant species reveal the presence of varied content of the bioactive compound such as saponin, tannin, glycosides, alkaloids, flavonoids, phenolics, terpenoids, titerpene, galantamines. The pharmacological screening of this species have exhibited broad range of properties such as aphrodisiac, antimicrobial, antioxidant, hepatoprotectic, galactose, anti-diabetic, adaptogenic activities and as a tonic. Tribal people in some Indian states like Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh also uses the leaves and tubers of this species as a vegetable. Chemical constituent and their mode of action showing various biological activities are necessary to reveal the entire phytochemical profile of this plant and confirm its suitability for future drug. The constituent of this Safed Musli is fully loaded with the carbohydrate, proteins, starch, fibers, alkaloids and fat. All of these nutrients are very essential for the body to work properly. Due to so many health benefits, medicinal properties and large number of essential nutrients, Safed Musli is so much popular in Ayurvedic medicine. Major chemical constituents, the carbohydrate is 42%, protein is 80 to 90%, fiber is 3 to 4%, saponin is 2 to 17%, and alkaloid is 15 to 25%. Primarily, saponin and alkaloids impart medicinal values. Uses of Safed Musli is very important. The first one is a principal ingredient in Ayurvedic, Unani and the allopathy applications. Second one as an aphrodisiac agent and vitalizer. Third one as a general sex tonic. Fourth one as a curative for prenatal and postnatal problem in women and useful for brain development in children. Next one is as a effective safe alternative to Viagra. So the muslis or the Safed Musli or the Chlorophytum tuberosum, which is having the number of benefits, number of health benefits, because they are nutritional, there is a nutritional values. Some of the health benefits are the Chlorophytum tuberosum is healthy weight gain, which is used in oligospermia, which is also having the property and used in the erectile dysfunction, bodybuilding, arthritis pain, premature ejaculation, overcome stress, tension, anxiety and depression. The important function and the health benefit of the Safed Musli, which manage the fatigue and extension. Some of the very important benefit of the Safed Musli with milk, which help in the lactation, treat diabetes, good for the nursing mothers and erectile dysfunction. The Safed Musli or the Chlorophytum tuberosum, which are used in the form of capsule also, in the form of powder also, because the tubers of the Safed Musli which can dried, and after drying of the tubers we can make the powder, and these powders which are used in the form of capsule, this capsule of the Safed Musli also help in the different functions which are used in the bodybuilding, improve the muscle mass, which can use for the joint pain and arthritis, which can use for the weight loss, diabetes, diarrhea. Benefit of the important Safed Musli is the which used in the physical fitness and some of the another disease like gonorrhea. The Chlorophytum tuberosum is the species of the Chlorophytum genus, and the similar species of the Chlorophytum like Chlorophytum boryvillum is also very important, which are used primarily as a tonic and for the reproductive system, for the impotence, low sperm count in men, used in the chronic leukorrhea, useful during the pregnancy as a nutritive tonic for mother and the fetus. So these are the so many importance of the Safed Musli, but the species is different, that is the Chlorophytum boryvillum. So there are a n number of benefit of the Safed Musli. It is a gift to the medicinal plants. It is a gift to the Ayurveda. The major benefits of the Safed Musli, which are commonly available in the market. This Safed Musli also grows in our region like the Anjangaon, Surji and the Akot region. Generally, the Safed Musli or the Chlorophytum tuberosum grows in the hilly area, the part of Medghat, the part of Satpura ranges. This Medghat region is having the wild musli, that is the Chlorophytum boryvillum, and this wild Safed Musli or the Chlorophytum, which can sold by the farmers. So the Chlorophytum tuberosum, which is having the dynamic therapeutical potential, which would encourage researcher to explore the underlying and mode of action of various bioactive compounds against various ailments. Details on Chlorophytum tuberosum, which will be useful to the society to project into field of alternative system of medicine. This plant is quite promising as a multipurpose medicinal agent, So more and more clinical trials should be carried out to prove its efficiency. Saponins are a group of naturally derived compounds which have showed considerable cytotoxic activity. Various researchers made their efforts to evaluate possible anti-cancer effect of saponin of different plants. So friends, this Chlorophytum tuberosum, which is a gift to our region, because our region is having the artificial cultivation of this Chlorophytum tuberosum, and this Chlorophytum tuberosum which is also wild in Medghat forest. So we will now move to the field of Safed Musli, which is located to the Anjangaon Surji near the Satpura ranges. Thank you.